Well, Happy New Year from Albuquerque, New Mexico, where it might be a little cloudy, threatening some rain, and 55 degrees. Well, that's some riding weather to me. A good excuse to make a quick video. Wishing everyone a happy New Year. Happy best wishes for 2026. From the Two Bikes and a Drone channel. Get a little sand practice in on this day. Only on one bike today for the first time in many years. My poor old Gold Wing is down. Got an electrical gremlin that I can't figure out yet. And that I may or may not ever figure out. I don't know. We'll see. I still got the GS, so I'm pretty fortunate in that way. So just thought I'd recap real quick about the year. Last year wasn't as productive. I mean, I didn't make as many videos. I made about 29 videos, and let's see, 40 something shorts videos of basically just little outtakes from videos I'd already made, just to play around with shorts a little bit. Got let's see, let me stop real quick. 116 new subscribers, which was 43% less than the year before. So I'm not attracting much interest to the channel, but I appreciate each and every one of you that stops in, see what's going on with Two Bikes and a Drone. I'm all over the place with this channel. So if you like a little ham radio, a little riding in the rocks and in the sand, out in the desert, in my neighborhood, little finding some of the oldest things in the country right here in New Mexico. Like the oldest house, the oldest government building, the oldest church. Still got a couple oldest things I want to do as well. Some old pueblos that are super old, of course. Stuff like that. So if that's something that interests you, check back. I guess click that notification bell thing if you want to be notified. If not, just be surprised if you see me in your feed. See what's going on. I don't plan on crashing anything like I did the Gold Wing, which is kind of crazy. That was my most popular video, of course. People are crazy. 40,000 views. And I'm lucky I had the GoPros running at the time, and I was glad to share it to show how easy and quick it is to crash, but didn't get hurt. Gold Wing only got scratched up a little bit. Not a big deal. Just kind of crazy that it was my most popular video. Anyway, hope you guys have a great 2026, and I'll see you on the channel.